To share a Jira project link with others, follow these steps. Log into Jira. Ensure you are logged into Jira with the appropriate permissions to view or share the project. Navigate to the project. Go to the specific project you want to share. You can find your projects in the Projects drop-down menu in the top navigation bar. Copy the project URL. Once in the project view, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This URL directs users to the specific project you are viewing. Share the link via email. Paste the copied URL into an email and send it to your recipients. Ensure the recipients have the necessary permissions to access the project. Via messaging tools, share the link through messaging platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or any other communication tools your team uses. Internal documentation. You can also include a link in the internal documentation or Confluence pages for broader team access. Ensure permissions. Make sure that the recipients have the appropriate permissions to view or interact with the project. If not, adjust the project's permission settings as needed.